we produce the paper bags. As we can see, there are many sizes of things here. The machines on my right hand is our wide paper bag automating machine. All of them are automatically and output daily up to 100,000 pieces. The bag now under producing is made by Kraft paper, which is the most popular in our foreign trade, and we made it in a super strong quality so to guarantee for any need. For all the paper bags, once we all finish producing, we will packing immediately, and we put a PP bag inside so can prevent water and dust. And we close immediately, we can prevent any pollution during delivery. For the finished products, we will deliver to our warehouse and stock there.